This is our time in Oslo coming to an end. We're heading to the airport to go to Switzerland. Yeah, we didn't get full Norway experience,
Yeah, I would like to spend some time in the Norwegian wilderness.
yeah, go to the mountains
Go to the
maybe.
mountains.
But that'll be next time. We are now in Switzerland. It's been a long day of travel. Once again, began at 7 a.m. this morning, Norway time.
It is 8 p.m. right now.
8. We still have to get on the train and get to our hotel.
Long day.
Long day. Quick stop in Copenhagen. Time for a train. Pretty spacious train. Much nicer than the Canadian trains.
One of the things about it is I think it was the 90s, if I remember correctly, there's a sign that tells us there was a fire in there, in the roof part of it, and there's all these like original paintings all the way along.
Do you know what this is, friend?
Oh, and I don't want to do it again.
Do you know what this is?
No, I don't.
No, it's like a... Zug just has like this random little zoo, little aviary. And they just got some big owls, whatever that thing is up there.
Yeah, and to do like hopefully have my own practice. Okay.
And then let it get really oozy-goozy, and then you use this to like push it off. You can put it on the veg, you can put it on the sausage, you can put it on the charcuterie, and then the other thing that's really good is putting it on anything that's pickled. So you've got pickled onions, cornichon, pickled peppers, and other pickled vegetables over here, and that's good to have some of that on your plate because it really goes nicely together. It's really
Nice! I like
You're
it in the
work
vlog.
today.
Absolutely going in the vlog.